If you have any problems with your Redmi Note 14 Pro, you can try to solve them by using this application, Security. You will have to open it. This is the default application that you can find on every Redmi phone. Now you will have to swipe up like this and then swipe up again to open Toolbox. Then go into this icon, Solve Problems. And now, as you can see, it's gonna scan your phone for performance, network, settings, battery, and other issues. And as you can see right here, you can find everything and you can quickly try to actually fix them. So in this case, there's one issue for it actually requires optimization. So there's option to add home screen shortcut to clear trash anytime we need. So we can click here, add, and right now, let's take a look if we can find this shortcut on the screen. Yeah, there it is. So now as you can see, we get quick access into this cleaner, in my case actually, and you can simply clean up everything that you need by selecting this icon. If you find it useful, please leave a like and thanks for watching.